stop working harder than your tools. In 2026, the person with the best system wins, not the person who works the most hours. While everyone else is drowning in a mess of expensive monthly subscriptions and scattered data, the top 1% are using a digital brain to manage their empire and their viral growth. The real bottleneck holding you back isn't your hustle, it's the friction in your workflow. Every lead you forget to follow up with and every hour you spend staring at a blank screen wondering what to post is literally money disappearing from your pocket. That is why I found a game-changing solution, a professional command center that manages your clients, your sales, and your content strategy in one single place. It works flawlessly across all your devices, iPhone, Android, and laptop, saving your data locally for maximum privacy while allowing you to export everything to Google Sheets or Excel with one click. Now, listen closely, there is a free version available to get you started, but the pro version is where you unlock the true power to scale. It is a one-time payment for lifetime access. Here are 5 high-profit projects you can launch right now with this system, backed by real-world success stories that prove these aren't just ideas, they are proven gold mines. First is high-end AI real estate staging. Real estate agents are desperate to sell homes faster, and traditional staging costs thousands. You can use AI to virtually stage empty homes with high-end furniture and sell these photo packs for a premium. A real-world creator in this niche recently scaled to $5,000 a month by offering these digital makeovers to local agencies. With the 80 professional AI prompts built into this system, you can generate the exact high-end prompts needed to create stunning visuals that close deals. Second is Faceless industry insight channels. You can build a massive audience by creating deep dive videos on niche industries like the future of aviation or luxury watch markets. Look at the channel MagnatesMedia. They reached millions of subscribers and generate massive revenue through high-end scripts and stock footage without the creator ever showing their face. With the system's viral content engine, you can organize your research and scripts to hit the algorithm every single time. Third is SaaS White-Label Onboarding. Many software companies have great products but lose customers because their setup is too complex. You act as the onboarding specialist who sets up their system for new users. Real-world consultants in this space are charging $3,000 per client just to handle the technical transition. With this command center on your phone, you can track every client's progress and never miss a milestone. Fourth is hyperlocal best of directories. Building a digital directory like the top 10 high-end interior designers in Dubai allows you to rank on Google and rent those spots to local businesses. For example, the founder of Nomad List turned a simple database into a multi-million-dollar business. This system gives you over 270 viral content ideas to ensure your directory stays at the top of the search results and attracts high-paying sponsors. Fifth is B2B personal brand architecture. Many high-level executives want to be seen as thought leaders but have zero time to create content. Professional brand architects are currently charging up to $10,000 a month to manage their presence on LinkedIn and X. This system includes a viral growth engine that gives you the exact hooks and structures needed to reach millions of views and turn that authority into high-ticket leads for your agency. You don't need more motivation, you need more order. This system is the bridge between having a hobby and running a global brand, whether you want to be the face of the business or stay completely faceless. I have linked the free version in the description so you can start right now, but if you're serious about killing your monthly subscription costs and owning your business forever, the pro version is the only investment you'll ever need to make. Your data stays private, it stays with you, and it works wherever you go. Grab your system, pick one of these 5 proven models, and start building your empire today. The system is ready. Are you?